The extraordinary heroics of the group known as the Avengers has been to many a cause not only for us, but for us while they're out there. Someone's watching over us. And
it's growing up on something different.
I don't know. I don't exactly feel safe with those things out there.
It just seems like there's a lot they're not telling us.
Superheroes in New York, Kitty.
These so-called heroes have to be held responsible for the destruction done